One of the most common symptoms that I hear is that people feel like their back needs to crack constantly. And that's common all over social media where people show you how to crack your back, pop your back, chiropractors do this and that. But the truth is that you're not actually realigning the spine, especially with non-specific manipulations. You really don't know what's popping, where it's popping, and you're really just releasing nitrogen from the joint capsule. The spine responds best to mobility work for that instance. And if there is constant pressure building in the spine, then the question should be, what is causing that pressure to accumulate? Not that I just need to get rid of the symptom, but address that root cause.